Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi not working on your OPPO Find X9. So first, what you guys want to do is let's unlock the phone, and first let's go over into the settings. Here in the settings, we want to select Wi-Fi and disable it by tapping on the switch. Now we need to make sure that the switch goes gray and that there's no available networks, because that means our Wi-Fi is off. Now we need to wait a couple of seconds. As you guys can see, in the meantime while I was talking, a couple of seconds went by. So now we can enable it back, and as you guys can see, we are connected to our saved network. What we can do next is forget and reconnect to the network in the Wi-Fi settings. So let's click on the eye icon and go over, click forget, and then remove at the bottom. As you guys can see, now here we have the network and we need to enter the password again. So I'll quickly enter it off camera and I'll get back to you in a second. So now let's just click on save and we should be connecting to our network. As you guys can see, it's thinking and thinking, and now maybe we have to re-enter the password and then we should be able to connect. So save again, and now we are successfully connected to the network. What we can do next is restart our router and phone, and since I do not have my router near me, I can show you how to restart your phone. But the router, you need to figure it out. It's always at the back of the router, to the switch to turn it on, turn it off, or simply to reset it completely, but you need something metallic and something small, like a SIM tray for an example. So to restart the phone, you need to press the power button and the volume up button, and do not hold it, just press it together and swipe up to restart it. Once you see the screen go black with the gray inside of it, you guys can let go of your finger, and now our phone is turning back on. So I'll see you guys once the phone is turned back on from the restart. So now, after the restart, let's enter the password if you have one, and then what we can do is check for software updates as a last resort. So go over to the settings and here swipe down until you see system and update. Now go to software update and it will check for updates automatically. So as you guys can see, my version is up to date, but if you have a button here to download and install the newest version, then I recommend you guys do that, because you need to keep up with the latest phone updates to make sure that there's no glitches inside of your cell. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.